Hello you guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I got this blonde wig that I made that you guys have been going crazy about. Oh my god, y'all have been asking so many questions. Anyway, so let me stop talking. Today I'm going to be collaborating with Dsoar hair. They sent me over their 24, 26, 28 inch bundles of their Indian raw body wave. I always suck saying everything, and they sent me a frontal as well. I'm also collaborating with Lace Tint for this video, and I'm going to be using the shade Sandy Beige, I believe that's what it's called. Everything's going to be in the description below. Right now I'm just going to be taking one of my shorter bundles, which is the 24 inch, and I'm making a test strip. These products that I'm showing you, these dyes that I'm showing you, unfortunately did not work for me at all. They did not come out the colors that I liked to see. The one on the right was really gray, the one on the left was really brown, and it wasn't really what I had wanted. So I went back to the store, and this is the one that worked. This is by Cream of Nature. This is in the shade C20 in golden brown. Yeah, those two were not working for me at all. But yeah, so I went ahead and tried this next box dye, and it was perfect, y'all. I was stressed out trying to find the perfect shade for my roots, for my skin tone. If you have me on Instagram, you've seen how many times I was being indecisive. But anyway, so going on to the frontal, I went ahead and bought me a couple spoolies, you know, like mascara wands, just so I can make sure that I didn't really touch my lace with the dye, which if I did, it might not have been that big of a deal because I did protect my lace with some Got2b spray, and I also always use dye removal if need be. So yeah, I'm just going to be carefully putting some of that on my roots. I comb it out a little bit too throughout it so it can have a gradient effect, so it won't look too choppy, if that makes sense. I don't want any fine lines or anything. So yeah. Then I went ahead and not washed but rinsed my bundles with my purple shampoo. I love this. So you guys, hold on, wait, let me show you this. This is how everything on the frontal came out. I gotta talk to y'all about that shampoo, but baby, do you see this? I was so proud of myself because you guys, I tried so many different box dyes that did not work and the colors kept coming out crappy, but this was exactly what I was going for. It was so like chocolatey, but then like boom, ooh, it's so nice. I love it so much. I love this wig. I think this might be the best wig I've ever made and colored, but that's a whole nother topic. Anyway, so I used the spandex dome cap, and usually I don't use spandex caps. I usually like a mesh cap so I can get a little bit more air, but unfortunately the beauty supply store only had this for this shade, so I just had to work with what I had, and it came out cute anyway. So yeah, I'm just laying my frontal pretty flat, so when I sew it, everything is, you know, nice and neat. I did also use a lighter thread. I never have done that before for any of my wigs, but I knew that I wanted everything to look as natural and seamless as possible. Everything flat and neat throughout the entire wig, y'all. I took my time with this wig. I love how I constructed this. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just still sewing this frontal on, and then later I'm gonna move on to my longest bundle. that I always do, just because no matter, how much you think you know your head and you know how many wigs you made, sometimes it's good to just still try on what you've already made so far. So I like to try it on when I've finished sewing my frontal down, just to make sure I like the placement on the wig cap, and I happen to love it, and it was perfect. As you can see on my face, I was happy. So yeah, moving on, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my first bundle on, and just keep moving on up. Initially finished the wig, I did go ahead and straighten the hell out of it. It was so bomb and long, and ooh, it was so cute. But then when I put it on, I just kind of thought about the fact that I wanted something different, and the natural texture of this hair is so much better than it being straight, and it's so much softer, so much prettier. It just looks different. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use that lace tint by Lace Tint. And I'm using the shade Sand, Lord Jesus, Sand something. It's going to be in the description, okay? Okay. And I'm just trying my wig on, making sure I like the placement, and I'm going to go ahead and start gluing the frontal part down. I'm using my Ghost Bonds glue, and I'm just using 2 layers. The first layer, I didn't use much. Yeah. I did want to mention also how Lace Tint Queen's Lace Tint really got my lace and my frontal to look so natural. I've had blonde hair before that I really struggled to get the tint of my lace to look really, really natural to my skin tone. I've always had to use makeup, or just have to do too many extra steps, but just spraying and blow drying that product on my lace really, really made a difference. Like, you guys, I didn't even put on a wig cap, like, at all. I don't have anything but my braids underneath, and you can't see them at all because the tint. So yes, thank you so much again, Lace Tint Queen, for sending that over, because it's bomb. And again, I used the shade Sandy Brown. this point, I kind of knew like, okay, I'm liking it straight, but I'm probably gonna switch this up. I'm so indecisive. So yeah, I went ahead and laid my little edges and wrapped my hair on up. But then I decided to go ahead and style it a different way, which is gonna be in my next video, how I got this kind of wet beachy waves look with it. Yeah, so be on the lookout for my next video. Actually, they'll probably be uploaded already, so go ahead and just go to my next video. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out Dsoar Hair. Thank you so much, Dsoar Hair, for sending this hair over. I loved working with you guys. So yeah, thank you so much. Have a good day.